When I first started using Facebook in 2009, it almost felt like you wanted to get as many friends as possible. When you start to join Twitter, or X as it is known now, you want to get as many followers. When we started to use Facebook groups, you want to join lots of groups, engage, the same with LinkedIn. I actually like to narrow it down and I remove myself from lots of groups and communities because I want to focus on those ones where I feel like me and the people there share something in common. And I don't just mean with WordPress and Elementor and other tools as well. Basically, I like to find communities where I know that we can learn from one another, share ideas, and there's a mutual respect as well. You want to find networks that support you, inspire you, and push you to break out of your comfort zone sometimes and do your best. I don't know about you, but communities can be a great source of feedback and a lifeline when you're like staring at the wall and you're really struggling, you just don't know what to do. That second opinion, or where someone goes, oh yeah, this is how you do it. And you kind of go, why did I not think of that? Don't feel like you've got to join the most popular communities or groups out there either, okay? I remember when I was first doing web design, the groups were popping up and people were inviting me or saying, yeah, go and join that. And eventually I was like, but I don't like the talks or the communication. I don't like the way things are done in that group. Pull yourself out of it. Don't feel forced into doing something just because that's where everybody is. It's like growing up, right? Certain people went to certain parties or had certain friends or they did certain stuff. Don't engage in anything you're not comfortable with, but choose groups that you know are going to get you and you get them. So if you see me in any groups, it's because that's where I feel like I belong. I'm not a lurker. I'm not just sneaking around in the shadows. I like to engage. I like to contribute. I like to help out. But I know that if I have a problem, they've got my back and they are willing to help me out too. And what about if you're a small business like a plumber or an architect or an ice cream van, right? You're going to go and find groups. And I don't just mean on Facebook, okay? You're going to find communities, forums, online, offline groups, whatever, where you can contribute. Because when you start to showcase what you know about plumbing or gas engineering, you're going to build up trust and people are going to want to talk to you about their problems maybe, and hopefully you're going to help them out. And then if they need to employ or subcontract out to someone, they're going to remember you. So don't just join a plumbing Facebook group if everyone in that group is really nasty and aggressive and accusatory and going, oh, I hate this, I hate that. Yeah, if you want to build your persona to be like that, go for it. But then someone might come across that post and they're going to go, I don't like what you said about that. You don't want to be remembered for that. What you want to be remembered for is doing great, good stuff and giving advice.